In the beginning of the course, we briefly touched upon multiple ways to monetize your YouTube channel, but let's get into it a bit more. Now, there are different ways to monetize your YouTube channel, and I always advise that you do as many of these as possible and don't solely rely on YouTube ad revenue. And the reason this is because if you get enough copyright strikes, YouTube can remove your channel altogether, and there goes your ad revenue for good. So apart from ad revenue, we need to think about other ways of monetization when it comes to our YouTube channel. The first one is affiliate marketing. We have sponsorships and brand deals. We have merchandise sales, super chat stickers, memberships, and crowdfunding. Now, there are other ways besides these, but these are the main ways that YouTube creators use to make more money with their channel. So let's get into it. Okay, affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing exactly? Well, affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where individuals who are considered affiliates earn commissions by promoting products or services of other companies. When it says promoting products or services, basically what it means is you're sticking a link in your description and you're selling other people's products that you believe in and products that have to do with your specific niche. So when affiliate drives a sale, a lead, or other desired action through their referral link in the description, they receive a commission from the company. So these commissions can be anywhere from 5% to 50%, maybe higher, 75%. And there are a few different websites that you can use off the bat, even if you have 0 subscribers on your YouTube channel. You can use these websites to make money as soon as you create your YouTube channel. And that's the very, very cool thing about affiliate marketing is I know people who are making money right off the bat. As soon as they create their YouTube channel, before they even get their first subscriber, they're selling products. And they're moving product online. And this can be physical products or these can be digital products. So you can definitely start making thousands, even if you have 0 subscribers. So don't wait. Don't wait to hop on the affiliate marketing train. Find a product that you believe in and that you believe will be profitable and start selling. Here are some reasons why affiliate marketing is so powerful. There's a low barrier to entry. Small YouTubers can start affiliate marketing without meeting stringent eligibility criteria, such as the subscriber count or the watch hours. And we know that we need 1,000 subscribers to get monetized, and we need 4,000 watch hours. A lot of times channels get their 1,000 subscribers before they get their 4K watch hours. Monetization flexibility. Affiliates have the flexibility to choose the products or services they want to promote, allowing them to align their promotions with their specific niche and their audience interests. So if you're in the gaming channel, you can promote tech and gaming stuff. If you're in technology and you talk about cell phones and different tech products, you can promote those. If you're in the health niche, you can promote protein powder and sell different types of supplements. No product creation required. This is a big one because you don't have any physical product to move or to store. Affiliates don't need to create their own products. They can leverage existing products or services from companies and earn commissions by promoting them effectively. Also, there's tons of passive income potential. Once affiliate-linked content is created and published, it continues to generate potential income over time as long as people continue to engage with it and make purchases through the affiliate links. And I want to highlight this one because this one is extremely important as well. As long as people continue to engage with it. This is where YouTube videos are so powerful, is YouTube videos can be relevant for years and years. So if your video is constantly getting a steady stream of views, you can constantly have a steady stream of money. It's that simple. If you're getting views day by day, week by week, year by year, and people are interested in the product you're selling, in the product that you're promoting in your video, they will absolutely click on the link, because not only do we promote products in our YouTube videos, but we also give them a substantial discount, which is one of the reasons why promoting affiliate links in our descriptions are so powerful. Because yes, of course, they can go on Amazon and buy the same product, but when you offer a product through your affiliate link, you can actually give them a substantial discount. So customers and viewers would probably rather buy products from you because they get the 35% discount and they promote your channel. They help your channel grow and they put a little bit of money in your pocket, and it's a win-win for both parties. Another reason is diversified revenue streams. Affiliate marketing offers small YouTubers an additional revenue stream beyond traditional ad revenue. Remember, we talked about this. We want additional revenue streams coming in. By diversifying their income sources, they can reduce dependence on a single monetization method and increase their overall earnings potential. We don't want this. We don't want the single ad revenue monetization method. We want to branch out when it comes to our money-making capabilities on YouTube. A couple of easy steps to become an affiliate partner. The first one is you locate products within your niche, and there's a bunch of different websites. The three main ones are Digistore24, ClickBank, and Amazon Affiliates. The second step is you sign up to these affiliates, and they will ask you for different methods of verification, so on and so forth. It's very easy though. The third step is putting a link in your description, and that's very easy as well. And like I said, if your videos are evergreen and they stand the test of time, they can absolutely make you passive income for as long as you want. Like, you can literally earn money while you sleep. And I know a lot of people who earn passive income through affiliate links say they earn money while they sleep. This is it's a bit not only overwhelming, but it sounds like a broken record, making money while you sleep. But really, really think about this. Like, you're not trading your time for work. You're not at your job as a barista or an Uber driver or whatever you're currently doing, because in those types of jobs, you trade your time for money. But with affiliate links, you're literally making money while you sleep or while you're at the gym or wherever. You don't have to work. If you have enough affiliate links set up, these can pretty much pay you for life. And you don't really have to work anymore if you are successful within your affiliate links. So another very, very powerful monetization method with our YouTube channel.